If you think dropshipping is a scam, you just don't understand the current state of the industry. And this is coming from someone who's done over $300,000 dropshipping. I'm assuming you don't understand that nobody is using AliExpress and everyone is getting 7 to 12 business days delivery to most major countries. And I'm assuming that you also don't understand that dropshipping is just the start. The only goal with dropshipping is to test a product and see if it works. If it works, you buy wholesale inventory, customize the product and have stock in the US. And you can turn it into a brand pretty easily. Let me show you a few brands that have done this. Maybe you've heard of Movement Watch, Shein, Fashion Nova, Manscaped. All of these brands are worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Shein is evaluated at $47 billion. Movement Watch, these guys were acquired for $300 million. And they started dropshipping. Manscaped is evaluated at $1 billion. And yes, they started dropshipping as well. So that's the current state of the industry. You're testing a product, testing a brand, and once it works, you turn it into a real company. Dropshipping is the fastest changing industry, but I can promise you it's not going away. If you want to start dropshipping, I created a free case study showing you how to do step by step, link in bio.